Hey folks, just a quick video to let you know what's coming up on the channel. Before that, I want to let you know that I've been wearing this Elgin World War II watch on this Bundstrap for quite a while now, and I really think it fits very well on the Bundstrap. It gets a great proportion on my wrist, doesn't make the watch look too small or too big, and really fits in. So I've been enjoying it a lot. Now, upcoming on the channel, I've got a couple of micro brand watches coming in. I know how some of you like and some of you really despise micro brands, so be on the lookout for that so you can add your praise or your disdain for those watches. Plus, if you remember, I had my Tiffany branded Patek watch repaired or refurbished, new crystal, all cleaned up. So now it's ready for a new strap. And I have yet to go into the New York boutique to get the strap made. It's going to be a custom made strap. I'm going to post a video on my preparation for that and the strap that I've received and let you see how it all looks put together. So that's coming up. Plus, I got a few other higher end watches that I want to review and try on the wrist. Plus, when I go into that boutique in New York, I'm also going to go by Grand Seiko. They've redone their boutique, and I want to take a look at it and hopefully try on the new white birch and any other watch they have there. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell icon so you're alerted whenever I post these videos. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate the support for the channel. Hoping to get my subscriber and viewership up to be able to bring you more and exciting videos. Till the next time.